Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I make Vietnamese fried rice paper spring rolls. For more content like this, don't forget to subscribe! Let's start off with soaking the bean thread noodles in hot water. I also like to add wood ear mushrooms. After soaking for about 5 minutes, the mushrooms become super pliable and they really expand. Make sure to cut your noodles because they're super long and really try to get as much moisture out of them as possible. For the fillings, I'm also adding carrots, green onions, and I'm slicing the chunky wood ear mushroom portions off while keeping the softer portions. Cut the wood ear mushrooms into strands like this. Now let's mix all of our fillings together. To season, I'm adding oyster sauce and fish sauce. Bind it with an egg, and don't forget your ground meat. I usually use pork, but I only had chicken on hand, so chicken it is. Make sure to mix well and get real friendly. Now to wrap these, dip the rice paper in water, and the temperature of the water doesn't matter. Don't soak the wraps or they'll be impossible to work with. Lay flat on a tea towel, and then add your filling. Wrap it like an egg roll, sides up, and then roll. Place on a tray or cooling rack, making sure they aren't touching each other. Now have your high frying temperature oil ready, and once it's hot, fry only a few at a time. If you fry too many, then they'll stick together and it'll be a total mess. Allow it to fry for about 5 to 6 minutes. Allow the excess oil to drip onto a paper towel. But that's not all. Let's make the sauce. To start, this is the same syrup that I use for nava and many other sauces. Melt down some sugar. Keep stirring to prevent burning on the bottom. Once it's about 90% golden, add just enough water to cover your melted sugar. I really like to get down to the bottom to prevent burning. Allow it to simmer till all the sugar crystals are dissolved. For the sauce, I'm using 2 Thai chili peppers, 3 cloves of garlic, and a 1:1:1 ratio of syrup, fish sauce, vinegar, and water. Lastly, share it with someone you love. Enjoy! Happy eating!
Wow.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch these other videos.